Hey guys, welcome to Login Sign In, and in this video we will learn how to use Tinder. Now Tinder is a very fun dating app that you can use from laptop, desktop, or your phone. Today we're gonna see how we can create a new account in Tinder from Windows. Alright, first off, open up your browser and go to www.tinder.com. Now you can immediately get started from this pop-up screen. You can either log in through Facebook or you can use an existing phone number in order to log in. For this video, we will stick to phone number. Alright, make sure you have your phone with you. Click on login with your phone number. Now choose your country code and then enter your phone number on the right side of the box and then click on next. And now you should receive a message on your phone, not from Tinder but from Facebook, alright? Because this is an app powered by Facebook, so just go ahead and look for a message from Facebook. And in there you'll find a code. Just type in this box and then continue. And if your phone has been verified, you'll reach this screen where you can fill in your information. Go ahead and do that. Choose a password and then upload a photo. Click on choose and then the continue button will activate. Just go ahead and click on it. Just click on I'm not a robot and then just go ahead and do what this says. It says select all images with rows. I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, once you're done with that, you'll reach this screen welcoming you on Tinder. Alright, and then click on next. Next. Allow your tracking. And then if you want notifications, just click on enable. And there you have it. You are now on Tinder. So I hope this was useful, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.